Alright, so joke time again. Story time, people. KFC story. Imagine your woman left you over KFC. Your woman where you dealt with for how much years left you over KFC. Your woman left you over 3 pieces of chicken. Alright, so my brethren, Zane, him a 9 to 5 youth. Good youth. Have him good woman for about 3, 4 how much years, right? She 9 to 5 too. Nice, when you see her, nice piece of woman. Zane? So the two of them 9 to 5. So him say, morning, it's a tradition. She said from she little, her father bring her go KFC every Friday. It's just a tradition. So him say from him there with her, him have to keep up the tradition. So every Friday, then go KFC for then dinner. Every Friday, religiously. Alright. Man say when you go after work them time then, just know say the place ram. Him have him car, so I drive through him, So the man say, yo, more time at 2 hours, 3 hours them have to spend in that line to get the KFC. Man say him not even really like KFC like that. But she love it. She have to get her KFC every Friday. Alright. Man say one Friday, him never feel like for waiting in that line 2-3 hours just for 3 pieces of chicken. So the man say, babes, make we get something else to eat. My girl said, no, KFC she want. Man say, man, we're there for what, 2 years. Religiously, we bring her go to KFC every Friday. We never miss a Friday yet. But this Friday, the man say, yo, I'm tired. Him could have better wait 2-3 hours in our line. Man say, babes, make we get something else. My girl said, no, she want KFC. Big argument broke out. My girl have started cry. Big fallout. Man said, man, the girl left me. Because I never buy her the 3 pieces of chicken. You can imagine that? I know the girl too, I'm going to tell you people. Nice piece of girl. She have a little Halle Berry thing about her, you see me? Nice piece of girl. Can you imagine that? The man said, man, the girl leave me. Because I would stay in that line for 2-3 hours to get her the KFC. People, what is going on? What is in this KFC? Why are the women them going crazy over KFC? You see, anytime you see a long line out of KFC, inside or outside, 90% of the time a man will buy a woman chicken. Because a man can't go home without the chicken. Or a man have the woman beside him and he can't let her down. He have to give her the chicken. If he not give her the chicken, he not get no sex. If he not give her the chicken, he not get no loving. If he not give her the chicken, he not get no good vibes. Alright.